This customer mailed in this iPhone 15 Pro that needs a new screen. Let's bring it back to life. First thing we gotta do is open it up. Next, we're gonna remove all the screws holding down the shield. After that, you're good to disconnect the battery and then remove the display. Lastly, all you have to do is transfer over the light sensor from the old screen to the new one. And the question of the day is, what is your favorite song? I pretty much like all genres of music, but my favorite song at the moment's gotta be Freebird. But leave a song down below, I'll definitely check it out and I'll let you know what I think. And now that we got it closed up, we can test it out and everything's working great. Like and subscribe.